Hi, I'm Rama from AWS and I'm here with Ross from PwC. Today we are going to talk about selectively modernizing and migrating applications to AWS. Tell me what you see in the industry.
So there is no ideal one-size-fits-all AWS migration strategy that works for every organization. Instead, there are multiple approaches for migrating and modernizing your organization's application portfolio through the use of selective modernization. Selective modernization is an approach that allows your organization to choose which application components are best suited and economically feasible to adopt AWS.
Ross, what are nuances you are seeing during this migration and modernization process?
So to build a selective modernization AWS migration strategy, it's critical to weigh the application's technical debt against the business value to maximize ROI in the cloud.
What exactly are you hearing from organizations during this migration process?
Organizations are often missing conducting an upfront infrastructure and application assessment and strategy. This is critical for determining the compatibility and feasibility for the cloud. I also need to dedicate extra time upfront to solve for the application's technical debt. They should also not embark on this migration journey alone without the help of a migration partner who has the experience and can anticipate challenges before they occur based on their past experience.
What are the lessons learned during this migration and modernization process?
So do not underestimate the level of technical debt and security requirements for the cloud that you will have to overcome to migrate applications. There's also a combination of migration tools may be used to support various workloads and use cases. Prior to a production cutover, should always shut down your on-premise databases in a lower environment to confirm there are no unknown dependencies that may fail. And then cloud spend can also quickly escalate without the proper controls and oversight and should not be considered an afterthought at the end of their migration.
What are some of the ways PwC can help in migrating to AWS?
PwC can assist organizations in conducting an on-premise infrastructure and application assessment and strategies for adopting AWS. Our proprietary application frameworks and reference architectures can enable PwC to quickly disposition applications. From there, we can develop migration and modernization plans for moving applications to AWS. And there are multiple ways to define a migration wave plan, such as by migration pattern or by business priorities. And from there, we can prioritize and sequence these plans to maximize efficiencies. Once a migration plan has been finalized, we can assist with migrating and modernizing applications through the use of our engineering pods and cloud-native accelerators to scale and meet the needs of our business.
Thank you, Ross, for being here, and walking through your migration and modernization practices.
Thanks, Rama, for having me.